Okay, so it's around 4:30 and we're looking for the arch rock. There it is, up there. Pretty cool. I'm here with Pablo. Pablo's over there. What's up, Pablo?
What's up, brother?
Okay, so we found our spot. And as you can see, the arch rock is right there. Looks pretty cool. It's actually really massive in person. And we're gonna set up right around this area right here. It's 5 o'clock. And we probably have what, like an hour, 2 hours before sunrise?
Well, sunrise, even though we're on a new moon, which is great, that means that we won't get any moonrise. But it rises at about 5:40.
Okay, cool.
But, like I said, it's a new moon, so it should be covered.
Here with me, I have the 800, a Canon R, a 7D Mark II, another R, the 28-70, and the 16-35. And in here I have a fisheye lens for the 7D Mark II, and batteries and whatever. We got 1, 2, 3 tripods, and there's Pablo's stuff. Okay, so the first camera I'm gonna set up is the 7D Mark II with the fisheye lens. It's an 8mm fisheye lens, and we're just gonna get this one out of the way right away. What I'm gonna do right now is hop on over there and set the tripod with the 7D Mark II over there and just get it out of the way, and then start shooting with the Canon R with either the 28mm or the 16mm lens. So let's set this up right about, I think we're gonna set it up right about here. Arch rock is over there. And right now we are actually shooting with the Canon R, and we're in C-Log, and we are at 40,000 ISO. So we're experimenting. It could look good or it could look like garbage, but we'll figure it out later. But yeah, I think I'm gonna aim the fisheye lens like in that direction. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Maybe something cool, maybe not. Everything sucks right now because we got here too late. It's, as you can see, the sun's already rising. We got the 7D Mark II doing a time lapse. The time lapse is probably gonna be like a 4-second time lapse. Right now I have the 28-70, and we're just gonna take a couple of pictures. If we get one, then we'll be good. But it's a learning experience. We got here just a little too late. And there's Pablo over there backing things up.
What's up, what's up?
Because we're going to be moving to a new location in a second. Okay, so we made it to Cholla Cactus. I think that's the name of this place. Look at this. The sun's about to rise in a couple of minutes. So we got to figure out our composition, what lens we're going to use, and the location. So Pablo's right around the corner right here. So this is the spot.
And what you're gonna get is you're gonna get the sun coming through these, and these illuminate, and they outline almost like backlit. So they're gonna be really beautiful as the sun's peeking through these. That's the kind of the shot we're looking to get. So
Cool, cool. What lens are you using?
I'm gonna be shooting this. I'm gonna be shooting on 20mm.
20mm? Awesome.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be shooting wide.
Cool, cool, cool. Okay, gonna find a spot around this area over here and see what I get from here. Okay, so I think we're gonna start with probably 800mm. I really don't know. But yeah, I guess we want to get the cactus in frame, and with the 800mm we won't get any of the cactus, but let's experiment. Okay, so this time we are not using the 7D Mark II. We're gonna be using a real camera, like the Canon R. Nope, we're gonna do 28-70. Remember, all we need is one good picture. That's all we need. So don't stress out, relax, no big deal. We get one good one, we're happy. And you know what? For fun, we're gonna be shooting at 2.0. Why not, right? Okay, so Sun's starting to come out. I'm done with this shot. What else can I do? The wide angle lens is over there. 800 millimeters over here. I'll photograph in that direction. It looks okay. No big deal. Nothing crazy. Looks nice. Okay, so for this one, I'm just gonna get a little bit lower. Try and get some blue skies. I wish the sun was hitting this cactus that I'm shooting right here, but it's not. Look at that sunrise. How awesome is that? Okay, let's move to a new location. I think I'm gonna photograph this cactus right here. Now, I don't know if I should be shooting everything at 2.0, but we are. You know what? I'm gonna do f8. Okay, so now we're gonna do some handheld 800 millimeter, and here we go. We're taking pictures with the 800 millimeter. It looks pretty cool, actually. I'm digging it. Yeah. Where do we do some video? Let's do some video. So now we're doing video. How does this look? That looks pretty neat, right? I should have had it on the tripod. I saw something move, like a bird, probably. Okay, are we done with video? We had our fun with video? Dude, this is awesome. So next time we're planning on getting here like around 1 in the morning or so. We got here around 4:30 to 5 o'clock, and by the time we got to the Arch Rock, then it was a little too late to do enough of what we wanted to do. But you know what they say, live and learn. Oh, here we go, some video. Let's lower our ISO. And we're in manual focus. Yes. So, are we manual focus? No, we're not. Now we are. So we're at 125th, f11, ISO 1600. We are shooting in C-Log. And I don't know how this is really looking, but we'll find out. Okay, so I'm gonna switch things up, and I'm gonna place the 16 to 35 right about here, close to this cactus. I'm gonna put the 800 millimeter away. And we're gonna finish it off with this 16 to 35. Hopefully we'll get something cool. Like I said, man, just one picture. If we get one good picture, life is great. I think I need to be a little bit lower. Maybe if I get a little bit closer for this one right here, zoom in at 35, focus right around there. How close can I get to that? I can get pretty close. Nope. Okay, we'll try this. Maybe this one's cool. I think we're done. I think I'm just tripping out. What if I shoot in that? No, the sun's over there. I just need to relax. Oh, I did commit suicide. Oh, I did commit suicide.